welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to TOYOMUYIWA. So from the title, you already know what's going on. I'm going to be transforming myself from this to this. Yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys the makeup routine. I'm also going to be transforming this straight wig into a fringe wig. So there's a little twist in this video. My brother is going to be doing my voiceover, so enjoy.
So she looks moisturized, lip gloss on her lips, vitamin E, Urban Juve Skin Awakening Serum, NYX Liquid Illuminator, Smashbx Halo. Alright, let's get into it. Make sure you get these brands, don't get those Walmart brands. You want to look good, you have to spend big money to look good. Alright, let's get into it now. Why is she doing all this extra stuff? Alright, let's start. Alright, so she put Urban Juve on her cheeks. Brush it down with that brush. I think it's called a blemishing brush. Just brush it down. Make sure it's smooth. Make sure the same skin color as yours. Don't use something that's too light. You add the other one, Smashbx links. You add it to your cheek. 3 lines down. Same color too. Make sure you've done a reset before you do this stuff. Make sure you know what you're using for your skin type. Then you brush it down with the same brush. Just brush everything down. Make everything smooth. Put it on your forehead and your nose too. Don't forget. Make everything look smooth. Then it's going to conceal everything. Then you put links. Put it on your eyes. Put it on your eye, your eyelid area. Just I don't know what that thing is called, but you put that thing in your lips too. Not your lips, but beside your lips, your nose, then your chin. Then you get the puff ball. That's what I'm called. That's the puff ball. You puff it down. Just puff everything down. Just make everything blend down. Yeah, blend everything down. Just blend it. Make sure you look good. Make sure you're looking at the mirror too. Make sure you put fit me. Yeah, fit me on your hand. Then the same puff ball you put on your face. Yeah, just brush everything down. Make sure it looks good. Then get Sephora. I don't know what that thing is called. Mascara. I think it's mascara. Yeah, mascara for your eyebrows. You're doing that. Get Max Studio Fix Power Plus. Same brush. Put some on your face. Put everything on your face. I think it's for blush. Yeah, so you can look very nice. Cause I know you're not going to just make these or anything small. You go to a party with this makeup. You don't sit down for an hour to do this makeup to go somewhere small. That's to look good for wherever you're going to. Make sure it's very nice. Make sure it's very nice. Please, we're begging you. Then you spray. It couldn't be done by now. You spray that. I don't know what I think it's water. Just get your skin back. Then you get mocha mami. And you brush it down with the same brush too. Brush on your face. Make it look dark. On your nose. Just brush everything. Not be looking. Make sure you look in the mirror. Please look in the mirror. Don't look at her, just look in the mirror because it might not be the same thing that you guys are doing. You get. You now use your nose. Put it down your nose. Just brush everything down your nose. Then you put that same thing on your nose too, beside your eyes. You get Ore or Aubrey. Those 2 colors you picked for your skin types too. You can brush it down between your eyes, yeah, and close up. Look, close up. See how she's looking nice. Make sure you're looking this good though. Don't put it in your eyes, please. Don't put it in your eyes, or that's trouble. That's big trouble. Then you get ROXI's color best palette. Get that same one and that orange one. Your eyes, somehow dark. You put in your eye. Just one small amount in your eyes. Very small amount. Don't put too much, because if you put too much, it's gonna mess everything up. Then you now get that different brush, that blemishing brush. Just blemish everything up there. The same thing for your other eye too. Just blend everything so you can conceal everything. Then I have to have a break to dance just so you can be happy, because like wasting time. No, I'm saying, are you guys ready? You guys are never ready on time. That's what you guys are doing shit. Be dancing. We're back to it now. Again, get that sky color. That sky color, if you're looking nice. Put on your finger this time. I don't know why it's not using a brush. I'm broke. And put on your finger this time. Just put on your finger, put on your eyelid, and rub it down with your finger still. I know you're meant to use a brush for this, but using that finger, don't be like her. And your other eye too. And then now bring that blemishing brush. You bring it back. Blemish that dark spots. Blemish everything. Don't mix it a bit so you can have that fade. Also your eyebrow, you beat on your eyebrow, not so much because you put your concealer on. You put your mascara on your eyebrow already, so you just don't want to mix everything. Then now you go to your eyelid. Very close to your eye, but don't enter your eye, please. Please don't enter your eye. That will just mess everything up. Then get this. I know the name of this thing. It's called Kai. I think this one's actually mascara. I think that one's mascara. Then you get your eye. You get your eyebrows. Sorry, eyelashes. Your fake eyelashes. Then you stick it to your eyelids. Yeah, your eyelids. You stick it. Make sure it sits down well. Make sure it doesn't enter your eye. Because if it falls down and you're with someone, I don't know what you say to the guy, but anyhow. You get the eyelashes, you put in both your eyes, make sure it sticks, make sure it looks very nice, looks very presentable, make sure it looks nice, just feel yourself a bit. Then now time for the lips, the main part. You draw your lips with this kind of like color pencils, you draw your lips, make sure it's sharp, not too sharp, but make sure it's sharp because it has to look very nice. Drawing your lips is like so much precision. Okay, the top part, only the top part for now. Get that one done. Don't mess up because you can't erase this stuff. There's no eraser for this kind of stuff. Just mess everything up. Take your time. Take your time. Now you go for the bottom lip. Take your time. Just outline everything. Just outline everything. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Now put in the middle. Then you just get ready. Now Alaya White Sugar Baby as a lip gloss. I just this one's easy. This one's the easiest part. Just lip gloss everything. Then just. Now just get ready for the same thing too. Now the back of the pencil, outline everything, then again. Now the gloss, lip gloss time. This is the time where you sparkle. Put the lip gloss there. So everything is just glossy, looking nice. Okay, wait, we won't do it again. Okay, this time we didn't do it. We didn't do it this time. Now just watch yourself in the mirror. Just how nice you look. Now the last part, the blemishing part again. Just blemish. Just the serene. Just be happy. Nothing changing that much. You can skip this step, but you want to be like, how just do it too. And then hyper real glow on your nose, everything. So it's looking nice. It's not easy to be like this. So get the same products. So don't buy the fake ones.
Hi guys, so I'm back with the hair section. So I'm going to be talking you through this section, then I'm going to bring my brother back for the end. So the first thing I did was try to divide the closure from the weft, which was actually very stressful, I'm going to lie, because I've not touched this wig in a very long time. I decided to leave like 1 centimeter of hair on the side just so that my tracks don't show in case like the bangs reach there or whatever. So I left that section. Then I hot combed everything forward to change the direction of the hair flow or whatever. So I tried, because I don't even know, it was just giving me a really hard time. But this wig I've barely used it. So this time I decided to like I didn't want the bangs to be too full. So I divided the hair and I'm only using this small section of the closure. I also decided to give it a shape because I really wanted it to have that upside down like heart shape type of bangs, the ones that are very curved. So I decided to like cut it in a slanted line, as you can see, a slanted line to the center, just so it gives that like pear shape or whatever, upside down pear shape. So that's what I did. When I watched the tutorials on YouTube, all of them did this. Apparently, it makes the cut more even or something, I don't know, but I just followed their footsteps and tried to cut it a little bit lower than I wanted, just so if I make a mistake I'll be able to like go back on it. So yeah, I cut a lot of hair. The hair is 24 inches, like this wig is a 24 inch. So right now I just tried to like reduce the length because on the sides were looking very long and I didn't really want that like long side bangs or whatever, like is it layers, I don't know what it's called, but yeah, I just decided to trim it and I'm using very tiny scissors, which is actually very inconvenient. Not even good to lie, I feel like you should use big scissors if you're doing this kind of stuff. Using small scissors is very annoying. So I just try and hot comb it down. You know I'm an amateur, so like I'm just trying my best. Please bear with me. My friend actually borrowed my straightener that week. I was very lazy to like stress her. I just continued doing it with what I had. So I used the hot comb all throughout. I didn't use the straightener, but like on a better day, a straightener would be more like suitable for the job, like for like curling the bangs. So as I said before, I wasn't with my straightener, so I decided to use the hot comb to try and straighten the whole hair. The hair wasn't too like curly, so like it wasn't really hard, but like yeah, this was a very struggle video, so bear with me. So I think that the rest of the video is very self-explanatory, so I'm just going to let you guys watch the rest of the hair process, and then my brother is going to come back to finish up.
This is bang. Sash looking nice. Come on. Sash looking nice. Don't play with her, man, for real. She came with the ice on her finger, on her chain. Come on, man. Tell us to stop playing with me now. Come on, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. The link to all the products used in this video in the description box below. Make sure you check it out. And also, you guys should make sure you give the video a thumbs up. I'm watching you guys, man. So you guys should move for my hand. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. And also, since I'm the guest on this channel for today, I'm going to be the hashtag. So make sure in the comment section, spam the comment section with hashtag Torera. That's TORERA. Make sure I'm also watching you guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. And if you got this far, you're a real one. And make sure you're subscribed.